I suppose you did one of those little buttered assessment courses when you were training up to be an area car driver.
Oh, change the record.
Me, myself, I did a proper 5-week advanced course. Construction and usage, nuts and bolts, solo motorcycle. It just goes to show that good, thorough training counts for something.
Oh, absolutely. I've really benefited from all the traffic control courses I've got under my belt. Of course, you wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
All right, then, how many Polacks have you had?
None.
You mean to tell me you've not had one accident while you've been out on patrol?
Not one. How about you?
Mind you, when you're going 25 miles an hour, I don't suppose you have many accidents, do you? Or catch many villains.
Did you see the way Fitzwilliam was flattering the Commissioner?
Oh, if she'd been any more obvious, you would have had his trousers off.
I'm really glad you came. Would have been a lot less bearable without you.
Oh, I don't need much persuasion to play hooky for an afternoon.
I remember.
Anyway, back to the real world.
All units, burglary in progress, 57, Priory Place.
249 on Church Street, running time 11 minutes, responding.
11 minutes? Church Street? In the pedal car? No chance, Dutch. 432 responding, location Bankside, running time 9 minutes.
This is 249, correction. Turning onto the embankment, running time to Priory Place, 9 minutes. My shout, I think.
This is 249, turning off the embankment, running time 7 minutes.
You better put your clogs down.
Hiya, it's Gemma. Listen, mate, I need a favour.
249, currently at Lime Street, running time to Priory Place 4 minutes.
432, location London Wall, running time 5 minutes.
That's what you think, big boy.
They're racing.
What's your problem? Hey, what the hell? I've been out, haven't I? You little tag!
I'm gonna have it.
249, running time 2 minutes.
Suspect apprehended.
Oh no, Dutch. We're not giving up now.
Are we going to make it?
You bet.
249, running time 1 minute.
What the hell is up with these people? Hey, do us a favour and just...
Officers of the law, I wouldn't trust you to cross the road, let alone drive on it.
See, if I could just explain...
No, Constable, I'm not finished. Do you realize how serious it is, conducting races in police vehicles? That all it needs is one young child chasing a ball, or one older person who can't see or hear too well, and you're facing manslaughter. Well, do you?
Sir.
Sir.
I run this, Nick. I make the rules. And I will not have you two reckless idiots bringing this station into disrepute.
Sir, it just got a bit out of hand. It won't happen again.
Damn right, PC Osbourne, it won't. Because if it does, next time you'll both be facing official disciplinary action. Is that clear?
Sir.
Sir.
Good. Well, unless you're waiting for me to send letters home to your parents, I suggest you get out of my office.